Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are learning how to build Giselo Magica designed by Zaha Hadid architects. It's a very freedom and dynamic building. It looks very hard to build a model, but it is very easy. Let's see how to do it. First, let us read our principles, how to build the model. For geometric model, first, find out what kind of geometric elements are there, such as rectangles, squares, polygons, ellipses, and circles. Consider model elements as a whole, and then consider embedded model elements locally. If it is difficult to find the elements of the side, you can draw the outline first, and then consider what commas to use to build the surface. Loft, sweep one rule, sweep two rules, revolve, or patch. If we have a look at the renders, this model is not geometric building, right? So we need to draw outline of our model. And then let us read for ideas modeling complex model. First, think about the whole, then think about paths. And we're going to learn how to break up the complicated surface relationships. And then we do the paths. And then we are going to connect them together. Think about how to create your surface later. So by this sentence, we know we need to break up complicated surface first. Let us have a look. From this image, we can do this part first. So we need to draw the outline of this side first, right? Let's go back to Rhino. Go to the top view. And I need to put my background first. Choose your background image. And then we lock it. Draw our outline.